Hello, I'm Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Motherfucking Button? Okay, here we go. You can be in an anime, but you're only a weak minor character. Pardon. Yeah, I will press the button. Who cares if I'm a weak minor character? I'm still in the motherfucking anime. %47 press the button while 53% didn't. All the poorer than average people gain money, but all the richer than average people lose an equal amount of money. Yeah. Rich bastards. Alright, high five. 76% are with me. High five. You will find a community of like-minded people on the internet where you can freely discuss anything, but except the video games, and you are there forever. You have already made this choice years ago. No. Woohoo! 66% of people are with me. You can create brilliant works of art that would be guaranteed to astound people, but the works of art will never be known to anyone but you. Fuck that noise. No. If I'm to create a brilliant piece of art, I want that art to be known worldwide. You will publish a great American novel loved by millions, but you will spend a lifetime suffering from mental illness and die of an overdose at age 42. Nah, I'd rather not. Woohoo! 69% of people agree with me. You have This is a very odd question. You have perfectly perfect eyebrows, but you have an uncontrollable desire to punch a baby. That's funny. Yeah. Okay. You can do an impression of any celebrity, but you multiply your risk of throat cancer by 1.05 every time you do one. Really? No. I didn't. Even though sounding like this on your life would be awesome, but it's not worth it. I don't know any celebrities that I want to impersonate except Morgan Freeman. A quicker legal and justice system, but you get accused of a crime you didn't do, are sent to death row, and will die in 3 days. No. Yeah, 73% of people are with me. Only 73? You will sound like Max Payne and can think of metaphors on a whim, but you have a dumb smirk on your face with your eyes squinted as far as you can, permanently. Not worth it. Woohoo! 67% did not press the button. Ha 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 ha! Ha ha ha! You no longer need to sleep, but you now breathe manually, and forgetting to breathe yields the same effects holding your breath would. No, I like sleep. Woohoo! 63% did not press it. You have everything you wanted in life and will be happy, but the person you love will be your best friend, and they will never love you back. Okay, if you have everything in life, you have nothing to work towards, and then it sucks. And unrequited love sucks. Just ask Romeo and Juliet, bitch. No. %59% would rather be happy in life but have unrequited love than not. Humanity achieves a utopia where everyone is happy and there is no war or suffering. But mankind never escapes Earth, and it will be over when the sun explodes. While no. Okay, I know many people disagree, but I'm just looking at the first part of it. If everyone lived in a utopia and everyone was happy and no war or suffering, it would be boring as fuck, and 2, the world would be overpopulated, and then never mind about when the sun explodes. If it's overpopulated, it's more likely that the earth would explode. There will be an extra 5 hours of time every day, but there are no weekends. No, that is bullshit. I love my weekends. Bullshit. Woohoo! 70% agree with me. You can have unlimited sex with anyone for the rest of your life, but you can't eat again. And you can live without eating. Well, honestly, I don't see a downside. 59% agree with me. Awesome! Okay. You can see all events, past, present, and future, in incredible detail, but you can do nothing to change them. Nope, that's a bullshit question, because what makes life worth living is that the future is unknown. And to see that you're gonna die on the 25th of June but not be able to change it is bullshit. You can tell when someone is lying. You can always know the truth whenever you want, but you can never tell a lie. No. I like lies sometimes. And another good part of life is that you can't always tell if a person is lying or not. So you live a lonely and sad life. One person of your choosing can live the life they've always wanted. No. I like my life happy, but it's split 50-50. The comments is I choose me. So one person of your choosing can live the life they've always wanted, but this contradicts that, and there's an explosion. So you become a famous singer, but your fan base is completely made of 7 to 13-year-olds. No. No. Just no. 48% pressed the button while 52% did not. Okay! Okay! Ah! You have an unlimited funds bank account, but you must kill someone from the first 1,000 and another person for every additional 1,500, and you can be punished. Yeah, there are some people who never learn from just going to prison or being tortured. So, some people need to die. And I know I may sound like a bad person, but I like the idea of someone dying for my happiness. I'm going to hell for that. But for now, let's go to the next question. You prevent the Holocaust from happening, but 6 million Jews survive. This is dumb. The Holocaust needs to happen. It's part of our history, and if there was an extra 6 million people in the world, it would be overpopulated, and then it would create even more problems than the Holocaust did. Think about this. 76% would rather the Holocaust not happen. Okay, one more. You gain the power of controlling fire, but if you touch water, it will hurt as boiling lava and will make you sick. Another bullshit question. Woohoo! 64% are with me. Okay, well, that was Would You Rather or no? Will you press the button? So, don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 5 days a week, or every day, except weekends. Some days I'll do short little commentary videos. Commentaries on issues we face in society, or whatever pops into my head. On March 15th, that'll be the last day of my winter schedule, and then I'll replace my commentary videos with another type. I'm not sure what yet, but I'll let you know as we go along. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. And as always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.